Hey guys, it's tea time. Hey y'all, it's tea time
with CJ and Corey.
Let me see. Let me see.
That's because you do have oil top.
Oh. That's cool. Oh, it smells good. That looks good.
Well, I colored it. It was purple, blue, and pink.
Wow, that sounds fabulous. Where today with our groceries?
Oh, last night?
The other day.
Look.
Wow, that looks like cotton candy slime.
Yeah. Mermaid mom.
Mermaid mom?
Yeah.
That is adorable. I like that.
This looks so pretty. I'm just going to put in this. So I'm just going to put in this little fancy thing so it doesn't dry out.
That's beautiful.
Oh, you should say, look at that.
That's Tiffy Cooks. That's not ours. I love it though. I totally wish we said that first. Tiffy Cooks.
You remember all that in my backpack?
Oh, we gotta clean our backpack out, by the way. I forgot about that. More. I got chopsticks. I got red ones. I think I only need one.
Electric fires?
Is it good?
Yeah, good. I just
Oh, I can use the apple and the cinnamon.
I want to do that.
More cucumber.
More crab.
More everything.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna get it all. I'm just kidding.
Guys, you need to try this old recipe out. First time. It's good.
Absolutely.
And cucumbers, you gotta make sure they're right and perfect.
Nice and crispy. Mm-hmm. That's perfect. So guys, you see we have our cozy house clothes on and we are going to enjoy the rest of our crab salad and tea time. Enjoy our tea.
My hair.
Yeah, she's gonna get her hair washed. It is a snow day here. We're just having a little afternoon tea. Yeah, we've actually had a whole snow week. Corey's been out of school for a week for snow.
Yeah.
So we are enjoying lots of tea time this week and everything. Probably gonna do this, go upstairs, get some editing done for you guys to make some videos.
Yeah.
So it tastes so good. I wish you guys could taste all the flavors in here. You can literally taste the cinnamon, the apple, and the caramel.
That's good.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful.
Inside it's so delightful.
And since we no place to go,
Let it snow, let it snow,
let it snow.
Bye guys.